Hey, Eric Armenta, sales manager at DeYoung Properties. Now time to enjoy a tour of 355. Can't wait to show you. Now we're gonna look at the 230 pop top with the modern farmhouse exterior.
Right now we're standing in our wonderful 190 residence with our cottage elevation. I'm super excited to show you guys the inside of this home. Let's go take a look.
Hi guys, Petra Higley here with DeYoung Properties. Hope everyone is doing great. I'm so glad that you're able to join me to walk through the 180. So follow me and we'll go and look inside of the home.
Hi everyone, it's Carla with DeYoung Properties. I'm here at 3945 Ramona Avenue in Clovis, California. This model is currently on the market, so let me give you a quick tour of our residence 320. Hi everyone, I am here at 3925 Ramona Avenue in Clovis, California. I'm getting ready to show you our residence 270, which is currently on the market. So if you're interested, please set up your virtual appointment. So let me give you a quick tour. I'm here at 3935 Ramona Avenue in one of our inventory homes that we have on the market. I'm getting ready to show you residence 210. So if you're interested, please reach out for a virtual appointment.